How to turn off active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to turn off activity status on Instagram. In order to turn off your activity status on Instagram, first thing first, open up or log in into your Instagram account and make sure that you're already logged into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. While you're on this page, go to try bars from the top right hand side corner. After that, you'll be able to see settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, here you can see how others can interact with you section. Underneath you can see message and story replies. Tap the button. Now under message and story replies, you'll be able to see show my activity or active status. Just tap the button, and if you have turned on your active status, then it might look something like this, but in my case I had previously turned it off. Then in order to turn it off, toggle the button. As soon as you do that, no one will be able to see your activity. At the same time, none of your not be able to see others activity status. So in this way you can turn off active status on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.